Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Today I'm using a little 3-hook rig because I wanted to try this out. It's the first time I've used it. I usually use like one or two for this, but the fish are being a little weird, so I'm making this video as in response to some questions I've been getting. How am I catching all these little guys on my little shorts videos? Well, it's lunchtime. This video will not be long. So here's the first thing I'm doing. I'm using these little Gulp Live minnows. They're cool looking little guys, and they're just the right size for some of the smaller panfish and crappie around here. I mean, they look good in the water too. But I put one with a weighted hook and a couple with the bare hook, or at least today I am. And what's funny is they'll still hit that weighted hook because it moves fastest through the water and it triggers bites. These things fall a little bit slower even though it's got the weight on the bottom. So I'm going to show how I'm doing this today. Hopefully this helps a lot of people. Oh, it's hard. These little guys are hard to put on hooks. But that's all you need. It can be a little off like that. It'll straighten itself out. We're going to walk right to the bridge over here and see if we can catch something. We've been catching a lot of panfish and small bass right here since the hurricane has been iffy fishing. So let's put the lid on this. I did tie these to a small leader. I don't know if they were seeing the string, but my regular string is some type of braided. I don't remember which one it is. Something I had picked up. I've been stomping this little hole down for a bit. But all I'm doing is shooting up underneath the bridge, and there's a fish swimming right there by that pole. There's brush coming off the front of that pole and to the side, toward this side of it, and a good ways out there's some brush. And I was thinking about throwing underneath the bridge, but first let's throw it straight out right next to that brush to see what it hits. The hooks I'm using today are bigger than what I normally use because those little minnows are tiny and they attract all the fish. And we're just here to have fun. Catch us something. A little bit of slow rigs, slow reels. It shut off for some reason. I don't know how much video I got. Hopefully it's something. I didn't catch no fish. Had a couple of bites. A couple of good runs. Two-minute mark from our lunchtime fishing trip here. I want to take the cork off, see what I can do with that. I can throw it in a little better underneath the dock a little better. I mean, underneath the bridge a little better. Alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna go put this up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
USA, USA, USA.